the first thing we saw is she walked out and she was crying, being comforted by Iraq. So some girls are still inside. Some girls are still inside. You haven't? So you were okay. Yeah, you could go inside. Some girls left. Victoria left. She wants to leave. It's some people are still there. Some are left. So some of the Latin countries doesn't want to go inside right now already. These girls are late, so they do not know what had happened. Cuba, Guadeloupe, Brazil. What's going to happen? Yeah. See you at the dinner later. Yeah. Australia. Argentina. Baby, you're good. Still a developing story. There are still some people inside. Some candidates are still inside. Most of the Latinas already left. What we saw, the first one who went out, who walked out was Mexico, and she was being comforted by Iraq. And then after we saw Victoria, the winner, and she was saying that she doesn't want to be part of it, that she's out. So let's see what will happen. So most of the girls are here now, but there are still girls who are still. Miss Bonaire.
No papel, no papel, no papel.
Oh my God. We live for the drama. Ano nang nangyayari ngayon? Kasi damay tuloy sila sa away.
Is it because of me? Because of...
No, I mean to say, these girls, that doesn't have anything to do with the drama, you know? We're not supposed
Chile is here.
to this, Tina, very beautiful.
Grace under pressure.
Grace under pressure.
Grace under pressure.
Exactly, peace.
Yeah.
So hopefully they need to resolve this. This is
It's
not,
still a developing story, ladies and gentlemen.
because, you know, if
We could see that
what's
the
happening
girls
now,
are sad. We could see in their eyes. Chérie, ça va bien? Je suis triste aussi.
so they're going back to their
Ouais.
rooms. The
Okay.
runners are here.
Nadia.
Nadia, llámenla y regresen. Dile por la país, vamos.
Olivia. It's you.
Bye. Okay.
It's okay.
Oh my God, this is crazy.
We are in this.
I mean, he needs
On my first live, Miss Mexico shared her message. What happened? Apparently they're doing the orientation and Mr. Nawat was saying things that
Towards.
that offended some girls.
Okay.
Allegedly, um, s- I mean, yeah. Maybe there is a misunderstanding between the organizers here and the owners, and he was saying things, and also the first thing I thought it was all good, and then the first thing we saw was Mexico. She walked out crying, being comforted by Iraq. And then after a few minutes, Victoria walked out and she said she's out. On my live, they could see she has a message. And then some of the girls already walked out. And also the girls. It's supposed to be the officials. A lot. But still some girls are still inside. Yeah. Most of the Latinas are outside, are already left. And some Europeans. Asians, I think, are still there. Vina, Atisa, Sri Lanka, Japan, they're all still there. Venezuela is still there. I haven't seen Venezuela. So Venezuela, Philippines, India, they're still there. They're still there. Some walked out.
Orientation pa rin sila.
Yeah, they're still at the orientation. So we are reporting live of what is happening. Yeah. Victoria was the second one to walk out. It was Mexico first, being comforted by Iraq. Okay, she is also leaving. Turks in case maybe she's not feeling well. Okay. So we're still waiting for everyone. Philippines, Thailand, Venezuela, and the rest are still inside. So let's see if they're finishing the orientation. Oh my God! Other girls are coming. Egypt, Denmark, Puerto Rico. It's Puerto Rico. Thirsty. It's so stressful, right? Let's see what's happening. House.
They all left.
House inside. What? Girls are still there, right? Some girls are still there, right? Okay. Sorry. Okay, some more girls are walking out. Namibia. Are good? What's some more girls are here, actually.
I don't think they are aware.
Yeah. Hello. Okay, now I can see Venezuela. I see Venezuela. Find the other girls. Hello. Turks and Caicos already went up with yeah. So these are the girls here. Okay, go. As you can see. Hold on. Sorry. What's happening?
You have to go back to their room.
All of the girls are instructed to go back to their room.
So everyone should go to their room, as Silva said. Yeah. To your room.
To your own room. Yeah. We saw when Mexico walked out and she was crying. And then Victoria. Some girls are still inside though. Rooms, yes. Thailand and Philippines are still inside. We're waiting for them.
But Philippines is still there.
Yeah, in Thailand. And other girls.
Why?
Are you wearing anything from the Philippines?
Absolutely, for shoes.
Oh, Jojo.
Yeah, we've got shoes from the Philippines.
Wow.
And just
Any message for Jojo, guys?
what's great.
Any message for Jojo?
Thank you so much for that.
Let's just wait. Vietnam. Vietnam.
Vietnam. Xin chào Vietnam.
Sri Lanka.
Venezuela.
Okay, Stephanie is going outside now.
Blog yang mau ke sini. Jadi kalau kalian lihat
I didn't even recognize you from breakfast. Yeah, I was like, ooh. Hi. What? Oh, thank you. Oh, thank you so much.
it's okay because you girls are not in the 100% because you did your own thing on time.
What's also happening?
So they found out that a lot of girls are doing makeup with other teams.
Looking forward to that.
Yeah, sorry. Okay, so some girls are still inside, actually. So apparently, also one topic are girls are having their own makeup team. So apparently that is one of the issues raised by Mr. Nawat that it is not allowed. They found out that many girls, we do not know who are the girls, have their own glam team, makeup team. I think there are still girls who are still inside. Maybe they... Restricted. Yeah.
So gorgeous. Wow. I love Vietnam too. Yeah. No. They're all my girls, but I love Vietnam too. Yeah. Show representation. They are my girls.
Okay, so some girls are still inside. Some girls are still inside. Yeah, some girls walked out.
They're with Nawat or with Where is Victoria?
She walked out as well. The first one is Mexico to walk out, and then after it's Victoria. And then the other girls also walked out. Some are still staying inside. They're advised to go inside their rooms right now, but some girls are still here. Let's wait. I'm still waiting for the other countries who are still inside, such as Thailand, Philippines. I think Indonesia is also still inside. We're just waiting. Miss Turkey, there's still some girls inside. That's why I'm here. I'm waiting for the other girls. Namibia. There's some girls inside, no? Yeah, some girls are going back. Armenia. Maybe those who are still inside are the top 10 already.
Yes. I think yung mga nasa siguro yung winners natin. Joke lang. Let's wait for naman yan.
So the medias are still here. There is a barricade.
Sa loob guys.
So some are already going back. I hope maging maayos na yung sashing because after this normally is the
Guys, bumabalik na yung ibang
dinner cruise which we are invited to join them. It will be later in the evening. So we're just gonna finish this and after it will be the dinner cruise. So the girls will change again for another clothes. New Zealand, all good? You're so stunning. Grace under pressure. So we can see Czech Republic still there.
Awarding ceremony.
So yung mga natira po kanina, sila yung top.
Yung mga hindi umalis sa Hanes, sa upuan,
na to.
sila na daw ang top
Indonesia, Thailand, Philippines, Sri Lanka.
Wala talaga silang ginawa kung hindi just stay there, stay quiet.
Okay. Oh, that's Pro. Pro. I miss you. I'm the only one who recognized you. The next. I said it's Pro. Our reunion from Supra. Yeah. So we have Pro, the first runner-up of Miss Universe Thailand. I spotted that it's her. I'm the one to blame because I... Sorry. Yeah, go. I saw her. I said, bro. So all the medias are still here. What can you say? Adam? Pachinteras and everyone. Okay, so we will wait again, okay? Oops. Drop. Yeah. I will gather some information so I could report it to all of you.